Hi, welcome to my new video on how to install HP Deskjet D1311 printer on your computer. To install this printer on your computer, you will require its driver. So let's see which driver you will require. This is the driver you will require. You can download this driver from the video description below. I have given the download link there. After download, just double click on that. It will start extracting the drivers, so please wait. A driver installer will be appear. Click on that, install, and then click on install recommended. It is start preparing the installation, so please wait here. Click on next. Click on finish. The printer has been installed successfully. To check the printer, go to the printers page. Click on start menu. Then click on settings. Click on devices. Click on the link printer and scanner from the left side and check your printer name. If it is not listed, then we will have to install it manually. So please click on add a printer and click on the link. The printer is not listed here. Choose the last option, add a local printer, and then click on next. In this step, it is asking for choose the port. So you need to choose the port USB 001 or where your printer is connected right now. So choose the correct port. This is an important step, and then click on next. After that, choose the manufacturer, the printer manufacturer HP, and choose the model number D1311 series and click on next. Here you can rename your printer. Rename your printer 1311 and click on next. It is installing the drivers, so please wait. Click on next. Click on finish. As you can see on your screen, the printer has been installed successfully. So this is how you can install this HP Deskjet D1311 printer on your computer. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.